Trust me, we're really ultra highly convinced me.
358, Crater Lake, Watergate, submarine, 56% of shark contact.
358, are we making that video gate? 358, can you let me know if I'm making that video gate? Bring it back. Alright, that's all I want to know. That's all I wanted to know. 358. That's all I wanted to know if I was making the video gate up there, Sussex County, Delaware Water Gap, Crater Lake, Crater Lake, Crater Lake. You said Delaware Water Gap. I got down. Bring it back. Hey, Pistol Grip, are we making that Brooklyn gate? Bring it back.
Hey, well, now you're gonna ask me some dumb question. I said you're gonna ask me some dumb fucking question. I ain't even gonna answer that or dignify that. I'm not even gonna dignify that with an answer. But old monkey bacon, he trusts the return company.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna leave him alone, and no, I don't want to ask no dumb questions. Take care of Pistol Grip. Take care of Monkey Bacon. Take care of Bobcat 358, Crater Lake, Delaware Water Gap. Bring it back. Roger, 10 Roger, right on there, Bobcat. Sounding good, man. Sounding good up here at Newark, Ironbound Newark. Ironbound Newark. I'm over here in the yard, man. I'm over here in the yard. I got all this metal. I got all this metal here. I got a lot of junk out here, and I got 3 big buildings over here taking my signal out. Hey, 358. I'm over here in the yard. I'm over here in the yard, and I can't get out from the yard. Break, bring it back.
Darkness every day. I hear my headphones. Audio. Alright, I don't hear my headphones no more. Just a little module got notorious insult to injury, stock mic radios, the king of New York, Black Wyatt.
Man, that stock mic sound good. Hey, Pistol, that stock mic sound mighty good over here on my Magna. that stock mic sounding real good in my Magnum S9. I got my Magnum S9 going right about now. There, bring it back. Hey, 358, I heard you, man. 358, have a great day around Greater Lake, Delaware, Water Gap, bring it back.
Yeah, you sound like a damn fool. Just tell me where you're at. Get your mind on 358 and let me know what your 20 is. You sound like you've been checking.
I'm over here in the yard, man. I'm over here in my boss's yard being blocked by these 3 big buildings out here with all this metal, man. I got all this metal taking my signal away. But I guess I'm getting out. No doubt about it. Bring it back. Break.
Well, I got an idea. You get one of those little oversized refrigerator magnets, and you solder a wire to it. And then you get one of them damn great big Wilson magnets, and you solder a 12-foot wire to that, you know. And then when you're sitting over there by them metal buildings, you put one on the radio, you toss the magnet to the wall of the building, and wow! Ground play created.
I got my trailer looking right at me, man. I got my low bed. I got my low boy looking right at me, man. I got my trailer over there smiling at me. The king of New York, can you hear me? Hey, the king of New York, can you hear me? I'm a CB celebrity, baby.
I'm gonna acknowledge the real, super junkie, as he puts it, because my video game got him. Me and this notorious $10 stock Mike McGuire.
Roger, right on, man. Roger, right on. This video gate's gonna turn out nice, man. This video gate is turning out real nice. I'm recording my yard over here with all this metal. I got all this metal here stealing my signal. No doubt about it, this video gate's gonna turn out really good so you guys can see what I gotta go through here. They call me Worldwide Small Fry, Worldwide No Squeal, Mobile, the CB celebrity got down, bring it back.
Bunch of dummies. Worldwide pickup truck. Barking dog. You gotta go take a, you gotta
I heard Richie Radio, I heard pick 'em up truck, I hear 358, I hear that 358, I hear that pickup truck, and I hear that big radio out there, the king of New York, the #1 junkie killer. Can you bring it back?
Oh, good morning, Candyman with the wave. Good morning, Candyman with the wave on the band.
I gotta say good morning to my CB friend Candyman. I gotta say a quick good morning to my friend Candyman. Candyman, can you dig it?
Likewise, you have a beautiful day. Enjoy your day there, Candyman with the wave.
I want to know one thing, Candyman, can you dig it? Small Fry with the wave, 206 got down.
That's a 410 there, big up truck.
All right, Candyman, have a great day. 206, Small Fry, Mobile got down.
Right there, 206.